Okay, hello everyone. My name is Nur Fatini binti Muhammad Izani. I'm from program BEET. My section is 1/2 from group 9. My group mate is Yasmin Najihah, Nurul Izzati and Wan Nur Akila. Okay, next. Okay, the first one, the objective. So objective for this lab is to perform the on Hooke's law, to investigate the characteristic and deformation of the spring, to get the response of a spring when an external agent change. Here F is the restoring force, is a proportional constant characteristic. So for this lab we just use the PC or laptop, and then the theory has 3 sections. The first one is A. For A, single spring. So this is a single spring, and then for the single spring has 2 types of spring. Okay, the first one is the tension spring, and then the compression spring. This is a type of spring in tension spring. Okay, next B, spring connected in parallel. So this is the figure for the parallel spring, and then C, spring connected in series. So kita boleh nampak beza spring dalam parallel and series. So bila series ni spring dia secara selari lah, straight macam tu je. Okay, next. Okay, the procedure. The part A is tension spring. So we do the lab, just use the simulation, and then in this lab sheet has our link. Just click the link. So the first one, part A, tension spring, just take the intro part, and then this is the procedure for the part A. So okay, and then for part B, tension spring connected in parallel. So bila guna in parallel ni kena guna the Hooke's law system simulation. So kena tukar kepada sistem. Tadi guna intro untuk part A, and then for part C we use Hooke's law system simulation juga, tapi just tukar kepada series. For part B we use for parallel. So part C kena tukar untuk series punya. Okay, seterusnya this is the experiment data and result. For this is the table for part A, tension spring, and then part B for parallel, part C for series. Okay, this is the question and discussion. So for question 1, we do the graph. This is the answer for question 1A, tension spring graph. 1B, graph for tension spring connected in parallel. And then 1C, tension spring connected in series. This is the graph. Okay, and then this is answer for question 2, question 3, question 4 and question 5. Next, this is the discussion and the conclusion. So the conclusion is for the lab, we are able to perform on Hooke's law. We know how to investigate the characteristic and deformation of the spring. Lastly, we know how to get the response of a spring when an external agent change its equilibrium. Okay, that's all for me.